Greetings, Sabahan. This is Joe. Good to hear from you. Hope you guys are blessed and doing well. We have a lot of customers still on the books from prior to 2020, and we still service Bank of America. They did have a change in platform. They have their own thing now. But Authorized.net, BitCommerce, WooCommerce, all these things. In fact, WooCommerce integrates with their new system now. Those are all still big national entities. They're no longer partnering with B of A because Bank of America has done their own thing. But everybody that's currently on those systems are operating fine, no issues. They just decided to do this last year. It made it difficult for a while. We had to take people away from them to get them started and then bring them back because their system wasn't talking anything yet for a while. But good news is everything you have is working and great. I've got the design team looking into that red circle. I have no idea. I went and looked myself going, is that part of the image? Is that part of the text area? And I can't seem to decipher where it's showing up. And I will have the design team check that. And it's just so weird that it's there. Let me hide the camera and so way we could see this screen in full. I'll have Nate tell me whether or not this is something you need. I think it's something we use, and we can just delete it. I don't think it's needed, but these two are needed. See, it says these are installed without a subscription. That's that license interface stuff. If you'll remember, you have to do that yourself. We usually provide that installation first year. Typically, we'll get a credit card and put it on file. So all you need to do is just click the purchase button. And since you're inside the site, it'll take you to WooCommerce. Go create your own account. You'll put your name and your address, whatever you want for the business. Put your card on there. And they are offering a monthly plan now, which they didn't used to. That was at $79 a year. And that's for WooCommerce and Authorized.net to talk to each other and give you all that triple encryption security in order to take payments online. Now, it still works. It's just not updating with any security patches or software updates, which I would recommend today. I mean, truly in today's time, that's really important. So you'll need to renew that. That's like $6.59 a month. And then the shipping. If you are shipping outside of your area, you definitely need this. I mean, you could use UPS, FedEx, doesn't matter, but you already have all the stuff set up for FedEx. I would just renew the license. That's normally $99 a year. And we used to charge all the time per year, but we really just put someone's card on file and set it up in their name so that the license is issued to the business, the website, and the company that owns it. But that's just $8.25 a month. Same thing. If you go and create the account the first time, when you go to click the second one, you'll go straight into your account and you just add it. Once you do, it should update the key, right? The purchase key, and should be ready to roll. And then we'll be able to update these because these are behind a little bit on security patches and updates to software. They still work on the version that they're in, but you could run into a day where they may not work because everything else it talks to within the site is way past it on updates, and these are not. So it's kind of important to have that. There is a fiduciary responsibility on your side to make sure that those triple encryption security portals are good and updated, because that protects the consumer, their credit card or personal cards information, and it also protects you as the owner or the facilitator of them purchasing something online or making a donation. This just gives you the calculation of your zip code to the shipping zip code and puts it in the cart. Right now, because I'm in Dallas, it should have charged me shipping and it didn't. It just says pickup only, right? So if you turn that back on, it'll add the shipping option back in there. If you're not doing business outside of San Antonio and you just want to handle that, then you don't need to renew that. But this one for sure I would. And then I'll give you a text in a little bit. Let me have Nate go check this. I think this is our software that we use as a master plan to get something started. And then I don't think it's needed once you have something like this. Okay. But anyway, get you an update on that one. Those two, if you'll go handle yourself, you should be good. If the purchase keys don't automatically update in the system, then you can copy that down, send it on an email to us, and then we can go load it for you. Okay. All right. Thanks so much.